Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a GFG problem of the day, maximum number of ones. So in this problem we are given an array containing zeros and ones and an integer k. So we need to flip at most k zeros into 1. So if k is 1, then at most we can flip 0 into at least we can flip a 1 0 into a 1. For example, if we can flip this 0 into a 1. So find the maximum number of consecutive ones that can be obtained in an array after performing this operation at most k times. So if the k is 2, then we can flip at most 2 zeros into 1. So by flipping this 0 and this 0, we can achieve the maximum consecutive ones of length 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So output will be 5. So this question can be easily solved using a sliding window technique. So what we are gonna do is we will be traversing this array. We will take 2 pointers left and right, and we will be traversing this array, and we will move right pointers towards the right of the array. And if we encounter 1, that's well and good. We will continue our iteration, and if we encounter 0, we will assume that we will use this k. We will use this gate to convert this 0 into 1, and we will decrement this k counter. So for example, if our right is standing at this position, then we will decrement the k counter and assume that we will convert this 0 into a 1. So our maximum consecutive 1 window size will be 2. Then again we will iterate over the next element, and again if we encounter 0, then we will decrement this k and assume that we will convert this 0 into a 1. So again this window will be of size 3. Again if we encounter 1, that's well and good. We don't need to convert this. So till now we have 4 consecutive ones, and k will be 0 because we have converted 2 zeros into a 1. Next, if we encounter this 0, then if we need to convert this into a 1, we should have the k greater than equal to greater than 0. But now we don't have any case left. So what we gonna do, we will shrink this window by the left side. So we will encounter this 1. So we have not converted this 0 into 1. It was 1, so we will move towards the right again, right again. So now we will encounter a 0. We have converted this 0 into 1, so we will remove this 0 from this window and increment our k. So k will now become 1, and this 0 we will remove this from our window. The current window size will be like this. So again we will move towards the right, and we will continue our window, expand our window again. So we will encounter this 1, that's well and good. We will encounter this 0. From this 0 we can now convert this 0 into a 1. So we will decrement our k into k one more time. So that's how we're gonna iterate over this array by sliding window technique and calculate our maximum window size. Let's see the code here. The maximum will be the result variable, and the 0 count will be the current 0 count. So we will take the left pointer towards the 0 and iterate the right pointer towards over the array. So if we encounter any 0, we will decrement. We will take 0 count to be a plus plus, and while our 0 count is greater than k. So what we're gonna do is we are going to shrink our window. So if the left is 0, then we will decrement our 0 count, and we will move the left pointer, and the window size will be calculated right minus left plus 1. That's how we're gonna calculate the window size here, and the maximum window size will be stored in this max variable, and we will return this max variable. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and please comment as well. And yeah, thanks.